Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel. I am thinking of going to the Signal Hill as I have already mentioned in most of my videos. So, if not, then I'm mentioning it now. So, let's go. Just a quick fit check. This looks so good. I love the fit. What do you think? Oh, so cute. Yes, it is. Can you see how beautiful this looks? Oh my god, I have to go from here to there, and then from there to I have to go there. That's the top of the hill. That's the Signal Hill. Look at how beautiful this is. Wow. We are going through the trail now, and it's not that hard, but you still have to be very, very careful. I was told that. Okay. Oops. I have to go all the way up. Oh my god! This is so cute. And they have like houses all around the hill. Let's go. Guys, what a bad luck. I literally cannot go upstairs. It says that due to winter and everything, it's closed. I can't use the trail. What the heck? I guess I'll just have to enjoy with the beauty that I can see from here, which is gorgeous, but I'm a little sad. It says here that it's your go at your own risk. So I don't want to do that because I am not a risk taker, especially not with my life. But I guess this is what we have to endure today. So now I have no other option than just, going back. Guys, what a luck I have. I mean, look at this. It's snowing. What the hell, man? Seriously? Never mind. It's okay. It's fine. It's not windy, so it's fine. Wow. Just a little update for you guys. I actually thought of going and taking the whole path because I found some really nice people, and they suggested that it's okay, it's not risky, it's fine, the weather is not so bad either, so you can come with us if you want. And they were so nice, and then I come with them, and I'm taking a little break because we still have to, we're almost close, we just have to go this path and then I will reach the top of the hill. But I was thinking I should take a break because it has been a long path, and this is my first time so I just want to rest for some time. By the way, you can enjoy this gorgeous view right here, and look at this. Wow, so pretty. Look at what I am trying. I'm literally almost at the top, and I'm doing this. Oh my god, this is so serene, so wow. And it's snowing, my hands are literally red. It was so hard to even breathe like at the top stage, but oh my god, it was worth it. I can see birds, I can see the river. Can you imagine? I'm alone over here, but I still love this beauty. It's so gorgeous. It feels like I just ticked something off my bucket list, and I'm so damn happy and wow. Hi. This is Signal Hill. Not this exactly, that's the building over there. But I'm getting some pictures. So ta-da, we are here. And I would like to say here that the journey is definitely more beautiful than the destination. Hence proved. Oh, I can see from here that there is another view which you can enjoy. I think probably would be it would be for people like jog around and want to take a break and then enjoy the view at the same time, so they can definitely like sit over there. There are benches, I can see that. Bye bye, see you next time. Oh, there are little swans over there, I guess. Not sure if they're visible. We are finally here. I can see the cafe right here. That's the cafe. Okay guys, finally I'm going to get my food. I just ordered some sandwiches because I need a proper breakfast, so coffee wouldn't do it. That's how it looks like. It's not what I expected, but whatever. It's okay. I'm hungry.
That is set by the city of St. John's. So.
Oh yeah. Okay guys, we are back at the hotel and I would like to end this vlog right here. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate each one of you guys. Thank you so much, and if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please do it because there's a lot more stuff coming in for you guys. Thank you. Bye. I love you all. Take care.